Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We gotta go look at a kitchen sink on the first floor, and because it's backing up, so let's see what we find.
Brought him home, and he went right away and picked him up.
Really, eh?
We've never had trouble with any of our dogs. We've never had to go to the vet or anything.
Oh, it's good.
And this little guy's been costing us a fortune.
Yeah, that's usually how it goes, eh?
He, about 2.5 months ago, he's been on steroids for the last couple of months, 2.5 months.
Really?
He had a stroke.
Oh, okay.
Back end gave out. But the steroids seem to be doing good. They're getting a lot stronger now.
Oh, that's good.
But I took him over to the vet to see what was wrong with him. And it took a minute. They took him in. I waited an hour and a half, a couple of hours.
Yeah.
He called me and said he was ready because you can't go in because of this.
Yeah.
And they didn't come pick him up. And I went to pick him up. He handed me the bill and holy shit. $1,500.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely not. Animals aren't cheap nowadays.
Told me a few days ago that I wanted to see him again. So I took him over to Dave for a check. $50 a month. He's a little expensive.
Yeah. My dog has got a lot of fucking like allergies, stuff like that. So we gotta get him special food. The food, I think we spend honestly $300 or $400 a month. And then he's got to take pills, which are I want to say $100 a month. He's got a edema on his paws, so he's always licking his paws. And it's like,
Wow.
growing up, it's like we had animals. We never took them to the vet. We never did any of that shit. It's like they live forever, no problems. And it's like, hey. We had a cat. My wife, it was my. I got the cat for my wife when we first met. So it was 15. Well, not 15 or something like that, and we just had to put it down a couple months ago.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, my wife was devastated.
Yeah, we have our cat. They get along like wow, I'm telling you.
Yeah, eh? See, our dog, well, that's another issue my dog has. He's blind as well. So the cat we had, they knew each. My dog wasn't blind when he was born, so he got to know the cat, right?
Oh yeah.
And it's like now we're afraid if we bring another cat in, because my wife wants another cat, and we're afraid the dog will attack.
Oh yeah.
And it's like,
two of them used to tussle a little bit when we first got him. The cat was there first.
well, my dog nipped another dog when he was after he lost his sight, because it came up behind him and scared him.
Oh,
Didn't know what it was, right?
Yeah.
And my dog was stuck in a spot. He got out of the house and he was stuck like in a fenced off area. He didn't know where he was. And so he was excited once he heard me. So he was all excited, and then something came up behind him, and it was like just a little dog and grabbed onto him. And so I don't want him to do that to a cat or a kitten.
Our two, we have, quite often in the morning we have people eat breakfast. Usually veggies are eat all the hers.
Yeah.
So once she has that, it's the dog and the cat.
Okay.
That's the dog and the cat having their breakfast.
Oh, nice. Everyone eats. What's that? Oh, yeah? Huh?
Pretty critter so far.
Yeah. What's that? Nah.
It's just the grease buildup.
I told them they gotta do a power wash of the drain. See if they listen to me. They normally don't.
Nope.
You're not wrong, my friend. You are not wrong.
They better try to spend more money.
Well, I told them, it's like, how often are we here, right? Common sense says, get it done. It's like the line's probably full of grease from years and old.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
Yeah. Well, that makes sense, right? It's like, all right, my friend, keep your water on like last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should help. All right, and that's all she wrote.
Very good.
So just watch your floor. There's a little bit of water.
Yeah, it's a mop back there.
All right, perfect. All right, have a good day, okay?
Yeah. You too.
Thanks. All right, there you go, guys. We snaked it down 45 feet. We're on the first floor, so everything's looking good now. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trout.